This exam application tutorial is on photosynthesis. The question for 6 marks is explain how a leaf is adapted for gas exchange. In other words, for allowing oxygen and carbon dioxide in and out of the leaf. So to translate this again, state features that a leaf has that allow gases to enter and exit, and explain how each feature listed is able to carry out this job. So firstly, the leaf is very thin, and that means there's a very short diffusion pathway for gases. What this means is gases don't have to travel very far to get to their destination, either out of the leaf or into cells of the leaf. The next key adaptation are the presence of stomata on the underside of the leaf. So the underside of a leaf has stomata. These are tiny pores on the underside of the leaf that can be closed and opened to control gases entering and leaving. For example, if it's hot and dry outside, you might want them closed so the plant doesn't lose water. However, if the plant is deprived of sugar, it might want to allow more carbon dioxide in for photosynthesis. So the stomata are open and closed to allow gases to enter and leave the leaf. The final feature to list here is the spongy layer or the spongy mesophyll layer. So the spongy layer you can see is a loosely packed layer of cells. Because they are loosely packed, it allows gases to diffuse easily through the leaf to reach photosynthesizing cells. And that's all you'd have to say to cover the 6 marks, listing 3 features and explaining how each of them help the leaf carry out gas exchange. Remember, each feature and an explanation is 2 marks, so 3 lots of that will give you 6 marks.